Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Ayy. This ain't even center, so we gonna center it. Alright, okay. Don't judge me so quick. Hey guys, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anique here on Anique Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, paying off this debt, and trying to get our life together while doing what? Minding our business, because that is what we do over here. Okay, so if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we love to have you. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. I see you, baby, you snack. Ooh, welcome back. I see you, baby, you are that. Come on. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you want to leave your 2 cents down below, because you can have all of your 2 cents, baby, leave them in the comment box because they help your girl out. And she will make an adjustment if it work with my budget, because you know what, we are here to help each other. But without further ado, as you guys can see, we are doing the October closeout, child. Baby, let's get up into it, because October, she pulled up with her AKs. Maybe I can't say that, but October came for your girl. She did. She got hands, and I'm not saying that she beat me. I'm just saying I may got a couple bruises, alright? But let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so we back. We zoomed in. Let's get all up in my business, okay? So for the month of October, your girl was doing what your girl had to do, you know? Getting her coins, living her life. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. And then it turned left on October 1st. Alright, so zoom in some more so y'all can see what's up. So my salary, I budgeted a $39.80, which is my normal. I get paid on salary, y'all. Military life, if y'all don't know, now you know, players. And so this did not change. It was $3,980 working like a pimp, okay? And so that's what I paid, or that's what I received in salary. And then for rental income, your girl got a what? Yes, I know it's $1,200. Y'all, it is 5:38 in the morning that I'm recording this video. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at a focus. You got it. Haha, see? Oh my God. Focus. There we go. So this is my new actual that I received in my income sources. And this came up to a total of $5,180. And if you know, you know, okay? Go ahead and check out the videos, okay? So you can get the tea of how your girl is got this money. All right. Because, you know, you see the numbers, but if you want to know the details, get into it. So anyways, I don't know why I didn't write these out, because listen, little baby, some of these things ain't changed, okay? The mortgage was still mortgaging. Please get up out of here, okay? HOA still taking my coins, and we don't know if they're raising for 2023, because you know inflation got everybody out here want to snatch a little bit of coins that we got. Okay, Patreon is $17.50. Pest control is $66.73. The internet is $98.38. The internet, man, the internet. I ain't even bothered by the internet. I'm just talking about how crazy and funny the internet is, because it remains undefeated. If you try the internet will try you. And one of you gonna lose. And it's always gonna be you. Because the internet, man, crazy. Driven Elite was still $25. Merrick the father in Jamaica still received $200. ADT Security, $53.91. I sound like the news anchor. On today's episode, Apple Care, still $8.55. Because you know what? Live, laugh, love. What does that have to do with Apple Care? Nothing. Electricity, we're going to skip over. Car payment is still $401. Oh, Apple One is $24.41. Water, we're going to leave. And then Canva Pro, we're going to leave, because we got to talk about it and get into it. You feel me? So let's talk about it. Okay, so Everybody else got their coins together, okay? So they normal, they regular. They didn't want to do nothing different. They want to be that girl, just, you know, stay in my lane. Stay in my lane, right? But everybody else, Lowe's, Navy Fed credit card, the electricity, the water, the Canva Pro, the cash envelope sinking for instance. Everybody want to be different this month, and that's okay. I'm feeling the vibe. Just don't do too much, all right? So, my Lowe's, ooh child, maybe I should change colors so y'all can see what's up, right? Y'all, I'm trying to use the colors that I don't normally use, so we gonna use this baby blue because she giving what needs to be given. I'm gonna use this blue right here so y'all can see the ones that, you know, are not the same. Which of these is not the same? So let me tell you, so Lowe's is expected to get $41 per month. That is how much our minimum payment is, child. We live for a minimum payment to know what we need to pay, because y'all ain't gonna come check us. But here's what we love to do, pay a little extra. And so we did, you know, just an easy Sunday morning, $468.44. Now I said a cool, easy Sunday morning, okay? That's what we did. So she went up from $41 to $468.44. Get into her, okay? Moving on up. All right, so now we're gonna move down to our Navy Fed credit card. Now I don't want to say that this girl been getting on my nerve, but she been getting on my nerve, but she's been also holding your girl down, because October tried my mental and my credit card was there in the back, okay? She was there to hold your girls back and hold me together. But, you know, I gave a little extra loving because, you know, if you gonna hold me down, I'm gonna hold you down. And so I gave my card $37.83 because what? Live, laugh, love. What does this have to do? Anyways, so $437.83 went towards a credit card and did her thing. You feel me? So now it's electricity. I ain't gonna play with you. This code is doing it for your girl's lights, okay? It is doing it for your girl's lights. So your girl only had to pay $97.86. Come on, the Lord. Come on, the Lord, okay? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay. Next, water. I'm telling you, water ain't been really switching up on your girl. She hasn't. She's been like steady. She's been comfortable. Sometimes she'll be like, you're doing too much, or you a little bit extra than normal. But other than that, she's been real comfortable. And she was what? 68. She even repeated herself so you can say twice, okay? She fine. She good. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the calculation to see how much all of this is. Ooh, sorry, my bad. Last line is Canva Pro. Now, I had $119.99 up in here, okay? Some other things went up in here as well, okay? So, stress child. Two things I bought. I did reading because your girl was stressed. I bought some stuff off the app for reading, and we had a going away in the month of October, right? So when you do the calculation, okay, so we are working with, whoa, wait a minute, back up. Wait a minute, y'all. Back up. I gotta make sure. No, child, because this is not what it's supposed to be given. Hold up. Because, child, it took us a while. But we got it together, okay? So I figured out what was the issue, because clearly my calculation wasn't calculating. So it was Navy Fed every time. It's always her. It's always her. So she got a little bit too much money, and originally I calculated correctly, and then I decided to change it later on because I was like, ooh, no, you know, this is what it's supposed to be. But no, girl, my calculations first was correct. So Navy Fed is supposed to get $425, and what was that number? And 87 cents, child. That is what they were supposed to get, and that's what I originally had. And then I don't know what made me a switcheroo, but baby did. And so now my total right here is $3,500. Or was it 3,400? Hold up, child. Let's not write the wrong thing. Yes, $3,590 because we can handle no more needing corrections. Okay. So anyways, moving down to my budget binders and the things. Okay, so my cash envelope was given $800. It was, and I would have loved to cash stuff it with $800, but you know what? I ain't too far off. We actually did $735 down here, which ain't too bad. I'm loving, you know, all that. My sinking funds had 500, just shy. I had 490 stuffed in there, and then my saving challenges had $262.81. Oh baby girl, this is where we shined. Okay, and we did $365. Okay, point blank and period. And so now this had $1,590 given and did what needed to be done. Okay, so my categories and everything, my actual was $5,180. My expenses, while they were being problematic, was $3,590. And my budget binders were $1,590, which left me with a zero balance right here. Okay, now we're gonna switch it up and we're going to go into our budget book, the budget diary by Miss Gabby. Okay, Miss Money Gab, if you're next. Okay, so we're gonna close it up and we are going to switch it up, child, and then be right back. Okay, y'all, so after the chaos, which was the closing out October expenses, we gonna go into the budget diary to see where our debt is at currently, because baby, okay, please help while you can. Okay, when I tell you I was writing these out and I was like, why didn't I do the October budget already yet, girl? Why haven't I done it? Child, it is November. We're supposed to be doing October closeout, but baby, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, y'all, this is our debts that we had. We had credit card that had $8,480.16 stored off. Then we had Lowe's, which had $627.44 starting off the month in October. Then we had car loan of $12,554.07. Ooh, hurt my heart too. And then we had our mortgage, which our mortgage is now, well, starting off at $205,410.32. It just, that's a whole lot of, okay? But I'm still doing fine. I'm still doing well, and we're going to get into these numbers. So, first on the docket, if you know, you know, it's one of my YouTubers that I used to watch faithfully, but, you know, not so much anymore, but I still go ahead and check him out sometimes. So, credit card, $8,480.16. What is my current balance? My current balance for my credit card, she ain't too far off, most baby. And I hope you guys can see with this pen, because I'm trying to use the other colors in my thing, y'all, because you know they need to be seen, but I need a little dark, you know, so I'm gonna get the darker purple. I need to be a little dark so y'all can see what's up. All right, let's do this one. I'm gonna use that purple for something else, but okay, so this one. So my current balance for my credit card is $8,000. Yes, y'all, shouldn't move that far. $341.67. Ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Whatever I paid down in October, baby. Ooh, I ain't go crazy, but I was definitely, child, October was just ghetto. Let's just say that. And so $8,341.67 because I, as you guys saw, paid on it and then used it. Child, we're hoping to do better. I've already bought my Christmas gifts, which, child, it was on the credit card too, so y'all gonna see that update in November. You know, get with it. And we gonna see what we gonna do to pay it off as well, you know, do what needs to be done. So $8,341.67 is what is currently on the credit card. Then next is my lows. My lows started off with $627.44. Well, right now she only got $159. So significant jump in the debt being dropped. Okay, being dropped. So $159, and we love to see it. Next is my car loan. She had $12,554.07, and her new balance, child, is $12,182.29. That's how much we at right now at the end of October. Then last but not least, for more garage, y'all. So my previous balance was $205,410.32. Well, guess what? Your girl went down to $205,000. No more dollars and 90 cents. When I told y'all that I saw this 90 cents, and I was like, so you could have told me that I could have made this 90 cents and would have been at $205,000 flat? Girl. So anyways, it is what it is, y'all. So we're gonna do the calculations of what I have now. So that is my credit card of $8,341.67, my Lowe's card of $159, my car loan of $12,182.29, and my mortgage $205,090. And so I have a remaining balance in total debt of $225,683.86. That is how much your girl has in debt in total. So that is all the things. And let's see. First I had 227,071.99 minus 225,683.86. So I went down $1,388.13 from September to October. Not too bad. Could have been better. You know, it is what it is, but hoping to do a whole lot of. So we gonna real quick, we gonna switch them out here. If you don't know, this is the board that we keep our debt balance on, child. So we're gonna switch out the 7, the 0, the 7, 199. Gonna switch that out, see if we can find some numbers. We need 2 8s. Ooh, child. Let me see. We need 2 8s. We need a 5. We need a 6. That's a 9. That's a 6. We need 3. I think those are the numbers. Let's see. So it's 225,600 $683. Oh, we need another 6. I know what's that 6. And 86, y'all. Okay. 6 cents. Okay. Boom. Okay, y'all, so that is my new debt total that I have right here. And yeah, that's how we gonna do this. Hopefully November is giving what November needs to give, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because it's Christmas, I've bought my Christmas gifts. We gonna see, girl. I'm gonna try my best, but we gonna see. Okay, so that is basically the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please, with all the shenanigans included, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave your 2 cents again down below, because baby, your comments is appreciated, and your 2 cents add on to my 80 cents makes $1, and we can do a whole lot with $1. So get into it. Okay, my name is Annie. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she